Guys, I'm coming live from Nema Kunku. This is the new road which they are about to construct here in Nema Kunku, the Gambia in 2025. So you guys can see currently I'm deep inside a local Gambian community called Nema Kunku. This is Nema Kunku for you today, the Gambia. Guys, this is how a local Gambian community looks. This is how a local Gambian community looks in 2025. A community which is expecting a new road. Yeah. And then guys, on my left hand side over there is a masjid, so you guys can see here. Majority of the Gambian population are Muslims. Yeah. What's up everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you are watching this video from. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. So guys, in today's video I will be showing you how this local Gambian community which is expecting a new road looks in 2025. So guys, don't waste my time, let me just turn the camera. As you guys can see, they already do the pavement, and this is how the pavement looks. Yep, the government is about to construct a new road here. Yeah, the construction of this new road begins all the way from Sukuta, and then it runs through Nema, and then it will end at Nema Johnson. Yeah, this road will be connected to the coastal road. Yep. You guys can see this is the Gambia in a 4K view. Wow. Guys, currently, right now, I'm in Neokun. Yeah. And this is how the real life looks here. This is how this environment looks. And where the tree is over there is the Neokun Central Mosque. Yeah. That's the Neokun Central Mosque. Hope you guys are enjoying what your boy is getting for you here in this local Gambian community called Nema Kunku, showing you the real life, showing you how the environment looks. The wind is too much today. Guys, on my right hand side, down there is the Nema kunku market. Yeah. And guys, on my left hand side over there is the Neokun football field. Over there.
Coming over.
And then if you watch the video till here, just kindly give the video a big thumbs up. Your likes really helps a lot. It helps you to push the video to larger audience, and then don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Your subscription also really helps a lot. It helps to grow the channel. Yep, let's go. And then guys, I'm walking towards Nema Johnson. That's where I will end this video. Yeah. These are tricycles. This tricycle runs from the main highway to deep inside this part of Nema. Hope you guys are enjoying my walking video. On my left hand side is a mechanic garage, but that garage only repair trucks and buses. Yeah, the garage on my left hand side. And then on my right hand side over there is a clinic called Al Salam Health Center. Yeah. The amount of stairs I'm getting here is too much. Some of them will be like, what is this boy doing? Why is he filming? Yeah, because most of them are not familiar with vloggers. Yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying the real footage I'm capturing for you here. And then I'm almost at Nema Johnson, the place I plan to end this video. This area is expecting a new road. The pavement have been already done. Hope you guys are enjoying the walking video you're getting from your boy Prince Seka. Yeah, showing you how a local Gambian community looks in a 4K view. As I begin this video all the way from there, walking towards down there. And then there's a welding workshop on my right hand side. Guys, I'm almost at Nema Johnson, where I plan to end this video. I'm almost at the Johnson. Yep. And then don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share this video. This is the raw footage of the Gambia. Construction taking place. Guys, these tricycles you guys are seeing, they goes deep inside Nema kunku. Yeah. These tricycles you guys are seeing. And then when the new road which they are about to construct here, when it is constructed and it is done, it will really ease the movement within this area. And then finally, I'm at Nema Johnson. Here is called Nema Johnson, and then the way the camera is pointing at straight, it leads to Kabokota, and then on my left hand side it leads to Ladrikunda Sabiji. Yeah, and then on my right hand side it leads to Coastal Road. Yep. And then guys, this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. I'm out. It's your boy Prince, a boy from the Gambia, West Africa, the Smiling Coast. See you on the next video. Have fun.